Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word sampling. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientist collected water samples from various locations along the riverbank for sampling and analysis in the laboratory. Sampling refers to the process of selecting a subset of individuals or items from a larger population to gather data or test hypotheses. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.